If you're in charge of your facility's lift station maintenance, chances are it's costly and it takes a lot of work. Keep watching to learn about a chemical that can make your job easier. Today, let's talk about PrimeZyme, an enzyme-based drain maintainer designed to break down a variety of organic material quickly and efficiently. Let's start with the basics. What is PrimeZyme? PrimeZyme increases the effectiveness of any facility's lift station by helping to move solids out faster, eliminating odors, and beginning to break down fats, oils, and greases, also known as fogs. The stabilized enzyme concentrate targets and accelerates the breakdown of large particles of fogs, starches, and proteins in a lift station. It contains amylase, protease, cellulase, and lipase enzymes that are necessary for degradation of soils, organic oils, and food byproducts that come from grease traps, septic tanks, and other wastewater units. This will help with reducing odors, but PrimeZyme also has a mint fragrance to replace the foul odors it removes. Lastly, you'll also want to know that it's NSF approved and non-flammable. Who is PrimeZyme a good fit for? PrimeZyme is a good fit for those who have heavy fog buildup, as its powerful design contains a degreaser that will break up blockages and keep your drain lines free-flowing. Additionally, it's good for those who are looking for a less expensive option. Who is PrimeZyme not a good fit for? PrimeZyme may not be a good fit for you depending on your municipality's regulations, as some municipalities prohibit the use of emulsifiers in facilities' drain lines, and PrimeZyme contains an emulsifier. When and why do I need PrimeZyme? It's always important to think preventatively with drain care, as problems can get very expensive, like with very frequent pump outs of lift stations, or grease traps with heavy buildup, or even replacing pumps if they fail. This product can reduce the likelihood of problems and keep your drain lines flowing freely so that you can focus on other things. How do I use PrimeZyme? This product is designed for use in the state 24/7 automated drain maintenance system, metered directly into the lift station, grease trap, or drain line. Usage rates will vary depending on the amount of buildup, but state chemical representatives are trained to understand how to calculate the amount that will solve your problem. How much does PrimeZyme cost? The average program agreement for a grease trap, which includes PrimeZyme, state's automated pump, installation, and service, will most likely fall between this range. But the price will vary depending on the application and severity of the problem. How do I buy PrimeZyme? Purchasing PrimeZyme is simple. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. The easiest way to find out if PrimeZyme will be the right choice for you will be a facility survey by an experienced representative to get the solution that you need. To learn more, check out the Learning Center on our website, and soon enough, you'll be sending your problems down the drain.